What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock guys. So if you have been following my videos on SMCI, you know that one of my previous position ran into the stop loss and I was debating between going long and going short, and I chose to go short. So in this video, and guys I'm already like I think I made all the money on this already. So in this video I'll be sharing my thinking process with you and display that has been working out and what are the updates on this, and all in all what was thinking process and how my entry looked like, what the things I was watching to take the entries, and also in this video I want to teach you all the process that goes behind the scenes on doing the technical analysis. So with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Before going further on SMCI, I just want to show you Nvidia. I did a video on this guys in the morning. Check this out on my channel. Nvidia stock, it's happening guys, get ready. Okay, so look at this flush, beautiful flush guys. Well, because I have been taking short plays on it, so for me it's a beautiful flush, right? Check that video out. But look at Nvidia lost that 824, marking this the distribution phase up on the top guys. This thing has a lot more room to continue to fall going into next week, but we'll talk about more on Nvidia besides what I have already talked about in the morning video. I'll talk more about later today and throughout the weekend as well. Nvidia is the thing guys, this is the thing that can make you a lot of money because this is the most volatile stock. We trade both sides of the market, you know that. So all right, coming back to SMCI. So let's start off with what was the, so this is my what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th play. All right, so first play, full 100% profitability. Second play, full 100% profitability. Third play, wow, excuse me, sorry guys. The third play ran into my stop loss. Fourth play, 50% profitability. Fifth play, huge play, just like the one right now. Huge move, $300 move we captured, huge profitability. This was the sixth play over here, full profitability. Seventh play ran into my stop loss, and let's start off over there. And this eighth play, I'm already making a lot of money. I'm loving it. So let's begin with this, what happened when I ran into this stop loss and what things were looking like and how I was debating with myself to go short and long, right? So let's go to the hourly interval. So we had a break of structure when this was the short play over here, right? And I ended up running into my stop loss, and then I was talking about, guys, this is looking like a long because the structure is broken, right? This was the break of the structure at 945. So I was debating with myself that when the price closed this day, that any pullback, let me just draw this out as well, that any pullback to the level of 954 is a pullback that can be tried to be bought, and it may become a long play. But what at the same time I was seeing, all the semiconductors like Nvidia, AMD, like all these things were falling off the cliff, right? Off the cliff. All the semiconductors were falling, and SMCI was the only one showing me the structure to the upside. So, and this is SMCI back again. So I mentioned in my previous videos, and guys, what I'll suggest, if you just want to understand the background, just go to my channel. In the channel, you can type in the stock ticker. I categorize my stocks in the playlists based off of that. You can see, in these videos, even yesterday I have talked about here. You can just go and check out my playlist on SMCI. You will learn everything. What I have been saying in this video is what I said in other videos as well. This is where it is. So I said, guys, everything is falling. Semiconductors is falling. Market is looking to the downside. Wow, QQ is $6, $6.5 almost down by now. Wow. So I was like, I would rather wait. Okay, not take this long play. If it goes up, it goes up without me, but I'm just not feeling comfortable taking this long play. So I didn't, and as I said, yes, I'm not going to take this long play. That's why I deleted it from my screen as well, right? Then I was watching that, okay, I would like to go again back short if SMCI breaks below 200 hours moving average, loses the structure of 945, and also breaks again below this trend line. Why this trend line has been so important, guys, is because this trend line has been acting so many pivots here, so many pivots, like I can't even keep the count, right? So I was looking at the regaining the structure back below this trend line to the downside. So that was it, and that's why I'm in this play, guys. Got in. I mean, there's not a perfect entry because I got in not up here, I got in down here. At this, by the time my order filled and also what I was looking for, you can see this huge flush happening. It was around $902. I had to put in 2 orders. So because because the way things were moving, and I knew that all of my position is not going to fill in one order. So, and then, yeah, so, but all in all, average came out around $900, $902 for my short play. And stop loss is above this breakout structure again, 945. But you can see I don't even have to worry about the stop loss right now. I'm already in the money and gonna take some partial profits by the end of the day. You know, I like doing that. Now, what am I targeting, right? So right now, well, I had it until this significant level of 696. Yes, absolutely. I'll like to take out most of my position there. But then also, I am planning to carry this lower, and that could be also to, 200 days moving average, wherever that would be. But that's something to just put here that, yes. So loving it, loving it, loving it, guys. That's the play I'm in now, and looks like, yeah, it's working out really great. So that's an update on SMCI. While we are here, let's just take a look at NVIDIA again. Wow, guys, $806. Still not stopping. Oh, wow, 805. This thing is in a free fall. Money, this is the thing, right, guys? We lost this level, right? And Morgan Stanley, Raymond James, all just tried to make fool out of everyone. Guys, buy, 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 right? So that they can sell, sell, sell in the liquidity, right? And yeah, it's plummeting. And now, guys, it's just that more people are getting out of it because the level structure is broken, 824. So anyone who was just keeping hold of it, holding it, thinking it's going to keep going up, and they were already in this money, they have a technical stop, guys. So, and now they all are getting out of it. So that's also creating this more downward pressure. This is the thing. It's all about momentum, and this flush is giving us momentum. Wow, this thing is unstoppable right now. Let's see, $38. It's already moved today, the range I'm seeing here on the dashboard. And let's see if it continues to how low it can go today. But check out my morning video that I did on NVIDIA. That will tell you a lot. I'll do AMD as well later today. QQQ, guys, 416. I have been saying that this is gonna flush and flush and flush, and it has been flushing. Tesla is still standing well. It's red, but standing stronger than other stocks. But yeah, QQQ, guys, is in a massive sell-off here, and then that's what I have been saying, right? A sell-off is coming. SPY is also in a sell-off, right? Yeah, things will continue lower, at least for now. Okie dokie, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.